Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. This is going to be an exciting first test, first use of the Dewalt cordless 20 volt hedge trimmer. I'm really excited about this. I've got a good hedge trimmer. Unfortunately it's electric and you plug it in, and to get to where some of my tougher shrubs are, it takes a 100-foot and then a 50-foot extension cord to weave it around to get to it. And frankly, it's more trouble running the cords. You know, you can spend 30 minutes running the cords and 30 minutes cleaning up afterwards for a job that takes 10 minutes. So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to do a quick unboxing here if I can get into it. Instruction book. Check that out. Ooh. Boy, those suckers look sharp. Wow, some assembly required. Looks like I got to cut this cord right here. And we're probably going to be ready to go. This is the model that the battery and the charger are sold separately. I've already got batteries, so I don't want to spend the money on more batteries. There's just a startup battery. This truly looks like a nice, very nice product here. On off switch, got a safety lever catch there. Alright, I'm going to take a look at things in the manual, see if there's any oiling or anything I have to do to start with. And then as soon as the sun comes up, we're going to take this outside, see how it's doing. Alright, we're up here in the front. These roses are starting to wake up, so it's time to get them cut back. So they'll be pretty plants and be nice and thick. We're going to take close to half. Now we'll come down here for this third one. It's also starting to wake up, so. So, gotta say, this is the Dewalt Hedge clipper. I don't think it's quite as strong as my other, electric corded one is, but it's so much sharper. And I tell you, I love it. Look at this. One of the problems it gets to be so bad is because it's a pain in the neck to run 100 feet of extension cord and 150 feet in other areas. So I don't do it very often, so it gets really overgrown. With this, it's slap in a battery and go get the job done. So I think this is going to be a much better tool for me, particularly as I get older. It's all getting tough. And we'll be able to get these roses looking really nice quickly. This is David at Grow and Eat This. You've got to watch me have fun cutting. Believe me, it is no fun now. I got hours and hours of cleaning up, but that's part of spring. So this is David, Lawrenceville, Georgia, Zone 7. Please subscribe, hit the bell, whatever, and I'll try and keep you on track with what needs to be done when it needs to be done. Thank you for watching. A little bonus piece. Let's see how this is going to do on a full-blown holly. Boy, this thing is making short work of this holly. So, hedge trimmer. It's got a 3 amp battery I put on it. I could go stronger. Made short work of the holly. I guess I need to get right up there in the middle a little bit better. And I just created another hour of cleanup. Wonder how it'll do on lemongrass. Talk about a plant that's just wire. never expected it to work that well. That's impressive. Wow. Even cuts through holly, which is, I mean, the lemongrass, which is something to try and work with.